long time no see. It's your girl Jamie here, and in today's video I'm actually going to be putting in a protective style because the reason I have been missing is I sadly have the Rona.
No, God!
So yeah, I have been super sick for the past week, and now I am still really short of breath. I'm still getting back my sense of smell and taste, but I'm okay to film. We are prepared on set. We got Gatorade, we got water over there, so I'll be okay filming for you guys. And I just wanted to film me putting my hair into like some kind of protective style. I have no clue, but I will pop up some inspo pics on the screen. It's gonna end up looking something like that. I wanted something quick and easy where I wouldn't have to touch my hair for a minute. Cause yeah, I washed my hair last night and it just took everything out of me. I'm just so exhausted. It was just a symptom of the virus. Me and my family are doing well though, so don't get too stressed. But yes, we all seem to have the Rona. No clue where I caught it because all I've been doing is going to work and coming home and going to the grocery store. So the guess is at the grocery store. Nobody at my work is testing positive. If they actually got tested, I'm not really sure, but regardless, they're basically saying it didn't come from my job. So they're like, where else did you go? And I'm like, the grocery store. So anyways, we'll stop babbling. I'm gonna show you the hair that I have. And then I guess I'm just gonna vote for myself. You're already gonna know what this style looks like. So, I mean, you can still vote if you want to, but you're already gonna guess. You're already gonna know what it looks like. So I have a lot of Marley hair. Maybe I'll do Marley hair. I haven't done that in a minute. I have 3 packs of Marley hair. They're all in a color 1, and it's the Rasta Marley Jamaican Reggae Kinky Hair dreadlock style, and it's flame retardant if anyone was curious. And the brand is Purple Rain. So I have 3 of these packs. The other pack I have is this big boy, and it is stretch braid hair. It's from Spectra, and you get 6 bundles in here. I really like this pack. I don't know how much it is. It can't be more than like 10 bucks, but I definitely have been able to do a full style with just this one pack. The 6 bundles works for me, which is why I'm happy I have 3 packs of the Marley hair, because no matter what, that's gonna work on my hair. 6 bundles is enough for my whole head. Typically, I have some leftover, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna go with the Marley hair because it's been a long time since I've done like Marley Twists or anything fun like that with my hair, and I kind of just want to do jumbo, laid back, easy twist. I know with this hair, I would have to separate each section, and the Marley hair, you don't have to do that. It comes in like one little piece on its own. So we're gonna use the Marley hair. I'm thinking of doing like jumbo twists, and the game plan is essentially to have no more than 15 twists in my hair because I don't have the energy to do any more than that. We're gonna be doing the rubber band method, and yeah, just we're gonna rock it out, okay? So let me... Okay guys, so we prepped our hair with the Olaplex number 3 treatment. I left that on my hair for 30 minutes, and now I am rinsing it out in the shower. Nothing too crazy or hectic, just get it out of your hair and make sure you get it off of your scalp and ends as well. I know for me with my scalp issues, anything left on my scalp for longer than it's supposed to be will agitate it. So just make sure you really get a good rinse going. And can we just stop and appreciate that length, okay? Like, oh, she looking good, you know? She's growing, she's thriving. I'm very proud of her. Next, we're into my FANOLA shampoo and conditioner. I have been loving FANOLA. If you guys haven't checked them out, please make sure you do. They'll be linked in the description box below. And that's also my apple cider vinegar water. Now, I had a little bit of a problem with this footage. I filmed on my phone and a lot went missing. So the footage of me using the FANOLA shampoo and conditioner has disappeared. I don't know where it went, but just know that I did go in with the conditioner first to finger detangle my hair, and then I went in with the shampoo to cleanse my scalp, and lastly, I go in with the apple cider vinegar rinse, and that is to treat my little scalp eczema / scalp psoriasis issue, and then I rinse it out. But all the FANOLA products are amazing. I love them so much. You're gonna see me use them all to prep my hair, and that's because they are so moisturizing, so lightweight, and your hair will look and smell amazing. And for a protective style, we don't want to use nothing funky smelling, okay? I don't know about you, but I ain't trying to have that. My hair's trying to smell good, you know? So next we're going in with the FANOLA hair mask. Now you have the option, of course, everyone does it with the deep conditioners to get out of the shower and put a heating cap on, but I don't do that with this mask. I just leave it on for like 10-15 minutes while I bathe and shave and all that other good stuff. And my hair is so moisturized and popping. The one thing I want you to know with this mask is that you guys need to use a little bit, because you can see a little bit goes a long way. Look how it like foams up. It almost like mousses up, but it's not the texture of a mousse. It's so hard to explain. But then I go in with my Tangle Teezer and detangle, and y'all, your curls will never look the same. I am obsessed with this mask and the Tangle Teezer combo. Like, my curls have just never looked better. I will show you some clips too in this video. You'll get to see them, but man, it is it. The wash and goes have been so on point, and wintertime is not the time to be wearing wash and goes, and yet I still keep trying to wear them because my curls just look so good from this mask and this Tangle Teezer. Like, life-changing, game-changing products for me, to be honest. And if you're a curly girl and you need your curls, like, look at that clump in definition, like coral. If you need your curls to be looking like that, all of the FANOLA products are going to be linked down below in the description box for you guys. This isn't sponsored. These are just products that FANOLA sent over to me. I gave them a try. I'm obsessed with, and I wanted to make sure that you guys also got a hookup, okay? So now we're going to rinse out that mask, and you can see my hair just looks so much juicier and plumper, and you can really see my curls popping out compared to when I first got in the shower, and that's crazy to me. You can already see some shrinkage, and there's no frizz when typically my hair has a little frizz when it's wet. So next I'm going in with my FANOLA leave-in conditioner. I have started applying it in the shower, and again, game changing. And the FANOLA serum, again guys, I don't know where my footage went of me applying this serum, but just know that I apply the leave-in conditioner to all layers of my hair, and then I go in with the serum, and then I put a towel on and go on about my business and let my hair dry. But yeah, y'all, these products are amazing. And also, my boyfriend says that they smell quite fantastic. He's obsessed with how they smell. They don't have a strong smell or an overpowering aroma by any means. They just smell expensive. You smell bougie, you know? And who doesn't want to smell bougie? You know what I mean, guys? Who doesn't? So here we are styling my hair, and I've already finished the back side, so the back's done. I couldn't get on camera for y'all, I'm sorry, but here we are working on the front. I'm going in with my SheaMoisture leave-in and my Jamaican black castor oil. All the products I use in this video will be linked down below for you guys, just to make it easier if you want to pick anything up. But I also go in with the TGIN buttercream, and lastly, Shine and Jam edge controller to control my little edges and make it smoother. Now this is the magic. You part your hair in the middle, you lay the extensions in between that, then you sandwich your hair over it and rubber band it. And then I just give the rubber band a little squeeze to make it tighter at the roots, and I start twisting. I know y'all are like, girl, what? Excuse me? Yes, that's how I do it. I am too lazy to get out a crochet needle and do all that extraness. I have done my rubber band method twists like this for years, and they do last me. So, you know, it's to each his own. I don't want to hear no judgment in the comments. It is just how I do my hair, and it has always worked for me. So, you know, you're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. And you guys can see my sections are really big and chunky, and they're not perfectly neat because I like that look where it's like a little bit messy. I feel like Marley Twists look good with that little like messiness and fluffiness to them. I don't know. I feel like it gives you that like sexy edge. If you know what I'm talking about. Like, she eats kale and she a baddie. Yeah, I don't know. That's the vibe I was going for though. So guys, you can see I'm prepping my strands again, and I'm gonna show you one more time. We're gonna show you the magic, girl. Look. Get your products on, get your hair prepped. Now split it down the middle. Laid out extension hair in between, and girl, make your sandwich. It's like a Jamie and Weave sandwich, and let me tell you, it works every time. I'm telling you, it gives you that like little bit of a grown out puffy root look that everyone's after when they do these twists. It gives it to you on day one, and it looks so good, and it will last you 2 weeks to a month. Like, I love this. This is like my secret little hack. I've always done it this way, and yeah, I don't know why I haven't shared it with you guys before, but honey, now you know. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you sit back and enjoy watching me twist up my hair. Make sure you stick around to the end so you can see the final results. Okay, babes, so this is the finished hair. I'm gonna insert some clips of me like standing up so you can see the full length. I still need to boil the ends in some water, but I'm gonna be so honest with you, I'm so tired and I just don't feel like it. So I'll do it tomorrow or maybe in a couple hours, but it's time for me to make some food and go rest up because I'm really exhausted. That's just kind of what it is when you have corona. You're just really excited and really exhausted all the time. This is all the hair I had left. So I have one little bundle left and a few extra pieces, and that's all that was left. In total, I have okay, so 5 over. In total, I have 20 twists in my head. And I think this is such a cute, easy little protective style to throw in. This is definitely going to last me a minute, which is good because I need it to, as I am way too exhausted to do my hair on a daily basis. Yeah. Anywho, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Both of those things really help out this channel. So if you want to keep seeing this channel grow and supporting me as much as I love you guys, I always appreciate when you thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to ring the notification bell. And if you aren't getting my notifications, try to just like unring it and then re-ring it again, because sometimes, you know, the platform has problems. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JamieYvonne__, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.